Kyrtong jong ke NPP National Parliamentary Constituency ke kong amperling do ke badiru ke menteri sarkar hak kesingi thok ding kalaong bakam don keno ke jingkin thok persya kon rat ke sangma bayalam ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance haswa jong ke election Lok Sabha kalaong ba ke ying dor bar thau an je kemang tengka badang syudep hapit ya ke jingwan ra ke kemang tengka do menteri rangba ke Jylla bat kam tarai bakan don keno ke jingkin thok persya ikam kibar tre ke sarkar kalau ong bakam tarai badon kajing tunjuk henry haba kalit hakeleng kijaka kadon kajing Kiew seprang pat karoi kesan kalau ong haba kadon karambrai hakinyo benai kibadep kisurak hakite kijaka kilong kibasniu bha henry haba kalit hakine kisngi kisurak kilong kibabiang bha kalau ong ba kinong rep menta kilale bha bat kaladon karoi kesan kibabiang hakijaka bagendong kalau ong baki paralog hak sarkar MDA ki peniang Kyrtong ki jongki nak benta ke election Lok Sabha henry kan syong pat haki pat ba yano ki ibet.
Define anti-incumbency. You have just come through the latest budget presentation by the Honorable Chief Minister, and you still think that we are incumbent? I do not think I have the challenge at all. Everywhere we are going, there is progress and development. I was in Rambrai 7 months back. Horrible condition of road. I went again today or yesterday. There is a perfect road there. Look at our farmers. Look at the groups of farmers that are doing so much better today ever than before. Look at the income generated and livelihood generation of a lot of our programs in the farming sector. They are all indicative that we are progressing. We are looking at numbers of improved livelihoods. This is not something we're just talking about in the air. You go to the location, you'll see that. So where is the anti-incumbency? I do not foresee any anti-incumbency. Now, in the fray, we will have coalition partners who are anyways also fielding their respective candidates. We are all in the same government. Where does the incumbent factor comes? You will say it will come from one source. That same source that has been talking about in anti-incumbency is anyways a source that has been seen not to be willing to discuss this so-called alleged incumbency. You have a perfect place for the discussion of anti-incumbency, and that is in the floor of the House. When you don't come when a matter is raised, where is the question of us responding to any anti-incumbency? To my knowledge, everywhere we are doing better. The health sector, we are doing better. In education, we are doing better. In tourism, we are doing so much better. Job generation, you've just heard the presentation of the Honorable Chief Minister. Are you not believing that? Creation of jobs have happened. Different line departments have conducted fair playing level fields for applicants. What else do you want? Where is the incumbency? You tell me. Anti-incumbency comes from where? If you're specific, then we shall respond accordingly.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.